Today we're going to be learning how to identify character traits, and that's our objective. So, Shelby, can you read the first question, please?
What do characters do?
Okay, good. The second question is, how are they revealed? And this is a fill-in-the-blank question, so you have that on your paper, and you are going to fill in the two blanks, but not yet, because we haven't learned about this. And the third one is what, Rebecca?
Descriptive adjectives.
Okay, and for this one, it's not a question, but you are going to be listening for it. So let's go ahead and start answering the first question. What do characters do? You guys tell me, what do characters do?
Well, there's a reason behind the story.
Right, but what do characters do? They think, they say, they do, they think things like that, right? Those are all things that characters do. So on your blanks, you're going to write down what the characters do. They feel, they think, they say, and they hear, and they perform actions. Okay, so another important thing to know about what do characters do is that characters, the way they act reveals something about the characters. And you can see that the characters are either sad, happy, in love, or lazy. These are all describing the character. So these are all the descriptive adjectives, and that's how the character is revealed. So on the blank that says, how are the characters revealed, what are you guys going to put? Through descriptive adjectives. Because the actions, yes, Shelby, are what you see the characters doing, and that's how you arrive to the descriptive adjectives. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does.
Yes, good. Okay. So, once you guys are done with that, I want you guys, I already gave you some descriptive adjectives, and I want you to write them down. Those were funny, sad, in love, friendly. And after you finish writing those examples down, I want you to come up with 2 more examples on your own of descriptive adjectives. And when you're done, give me a thumbs up so I know that you wrote 2 more descriptive adjectives. Okay, good. You guys are ready to go. Okay, so I want you to take your highlighter and highlight all the descriptive adjectives because those are going to be important for you. Okay, everybody's ready to move on. So now you can see you have a chart just like this at the bottom of your page, and this is what we're actually going to use to put everything together, the actions and the character traits. So in order to use your chart, I'm going to write down some instructions. So to use your chart, you should jot down actions and match them. And if you guys want to write this down on your paper, I have that on your paper. Just kidding, that's good. Match them with their actions. Okay, so what exactly is this using here, Shelby? So you're jotting down their actions. That is what they would.
That's what they do.
Yes, exactly, good. And matching them with their actions, matching them with their traits, the traits that are revealed. So today we're going to learn a song about thesis statements. So I'm going to give you guys a handout, but before you guys start looking at it, turn it over so you can see kind of how the tune goes. So the first line says thesis statement, but we're going to spell out thesis. So it's going to say T-H-E-S-I-S statement, T-H-E-S-I-S statement. Thesis statements are so much fun. They help explain stuff to everyone. They tell the reader what to expect and help figure out what comes next. T-H-E-S-I-S statement, T-H-E-S-I-S statement. A thesis statement is more than just an idea. A thesis statement is something you have to argue. You're going to want to use it in every draft. Put it at the end of your first paragraph. Okay, so let's try just the first stanza. Okay, so turn it over, and we're going to try it together. So ready? 1, 2, 3. T-H-E-S. Let's try that again one more time. T-H-E-S-I-S statement, T-H-E-S-I-S statement. These statements are so much fun. They help explain some to everyone. They tell the reader what to expect and help figure out what comes next. Okay?